Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine and safe at home. From today onwards, I will be teaching you social studies. Okay? So, let us start with our second chapter. So, children, open your books at page number 7. At page number 7. So, our second chapter is India, our country. India, our country. So this is a well-known fact that where we live. You all know na where we are living. We are living in a beautiful country which is India. So today in this chapter we are going to discuss more about our country. So first of all, let us see what we will learn about. What we are going to learn about in this chapter. The first one, it is location and size of India. Where our country is located? कहाँ है, किस place में? Next, India, a peninsular country. India, which type of country it is? And the third point, who are the neighbors of India? Who are our neighboring countries? क्या क्या है? Next, how many states and union territories are there in India? So states and union territories of our country. And the last one, it is landforms of India. How many types of landforms are found in India? So children, now we are going to discuss about all these topics one by one. So let's get started with the first step. What is it? Identify and tick the flag of our country, India. So it is well known to all of you. You have to identify and tick the flag of our country. So here we have two flags. So it is very clear that Indian flag is a tricolor flag. This one. So tick below the box provided here. Okay. Now let us discuss with the first point, location of India. See here what it is. Location. Location means a particular place or position. मतलब किस place में है India in the world, है ना? अपनी पूरा world में India where it is located. We are going to know about this. So India is a part of the continent of Asia. So India एक part है कहाँ पे? In the continent of Asia. So here what do you mean by continent? Continent means one of the 7 large pieces of land on Earth's surface. अपने Earth surface completely 7 pieces में divide किया है. So we have 7 continents on the earth's surface. ये 7 continents में Asia is one of the continent. Asia एक continent है, उसमें अपनी country India है. India is a part of the continent of Asia. Asia की one of the part में India है. Okay, so it lies in the southern part of Asia. Again Asia में you know the directions ना, north, south, east, west. In that way India is located in the southern part. Asia की southernmost part में India है. Now India consists of the mainland and 2 groups of islands. India completely किस किस groups में divide किया है? One is the mainland and the other is the 2 groups of islands. So again mainland means क्या है? Mainland is it is the major part of country which does not include islands. मतलब अगर islands के अलावा दूसरा जो भी land portion है अपने country का, that we'll call as mainland. उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया को हम क्या बोलेंगे? mainland. mainland मतलब उसमें हम islands को include नहीं करेंगे. So India consists of 2 parts. ये मान के चलो इंडिया में 2 parts है. What they are? One is the mainland. mainland means जो landforms बिल्कुल island में included नहीं है, and 2 groups of islands. So we have 2 groups of islands. What they are? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, these are a group of islands which are located in Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal में Andaman and Nicobar Islands है, and Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Islands, Arabian Sea में Lakshadweep Islands है. So we have 2 groups of islands. See the spellings carefully. Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. So we came to know about the location of India, where it is located, in which continent and on which part. After that, how many type India is divided into two groups. One is mainland and other is islands. So which type of islands and what is the mainland? So in the location of India, we have discussed about all these points.